It is a common experience for entrepreneurs of getting stuck into the business, not getting freedom from the business, not being able to disengage from the ground in the business. And all these things happen because the processes, business processes, the routine processes of the business are not automated. When we are talking about automation, the automation comes when you are able to homogenize processes, you are able to standardize the processes, and you are able to pass on the processes to your employees. Then you can create a model wherein your business becomes scalable automatically because all the processes are automated. While we talk about business processes automation, usually entrepreneurs think about many things. And first thing that comes into their minds is, softwares, computers, lots of automation, and whatnot. And while mostly people are technologically challenged, they think that it is not for them. It is for the big businesses only. So from my experience of past more than 21 years and having helped, more than 4,800 plus businesses, and helping businesses to create unicorn wealth by, helping them to scale, build wealth, and getting disengaged from the ground. What I'm going to discuss with you today is how you can automate your business processes. Let us jump into the things. See, first things first. First, you need to understand why you need to, get disengaged from the ground, because it gives you ease of operations. First thing is, it gives you ease of operations. See, this is how we are going to discuss. First, we are going to discuss about, why you need automation of your operations. Then we are going to discuss about what are the issues that you might be facing. Then I'll give you some tools, I'll give you detailed process note, and in the end, if you stay till then, I'm going to give you a gift also. So if you are ready, type in ready into the chat box wherever you are, whether in Facebook or YouTube. Type in ready to learn RTL into the chat box. See, it gives you ease of operations. When you automate your processes, it gives you ease of operations. Your operations become standardized. And you do not have to, then get worried about your operations. Next, it increases your efficiency. It increases the efficiency of not only your operations, but it increases the efficiency of your sales, marketing, your finances, your HR. Your every function is getting enhanced. Leadership is then increases your profitability because your resources are not getting wasted in motions, in duplications, in the wasted motions. See, all these things add up to your profitability. And when all these things happen, then as an entrepreneur, you are free to work on the scaling of your business. So that is the first and the foremost. Automation is because you need to standardize your operations, you need to homogenize your operations, you need to increase efficiency, you need to increase profitability, and you need to scale your business. And while you are looking to do that, what you are facing is there are some standard issues. See, mostly entrepreneurs think this way. They think that process automation means, machinery and all those things, but actually it is not like that. Second thing is, mostly entrepreneurs, they do not know how to set up the processes because they have never set up it. They don't know how they can set up their processes, how they even know what are the processes that are involved in their own business. Sometimes, they even don't know that the processes can help you improve quality and even help you scale your business. Sometimes they're afraid of the problems which might arise out of, these things are happening with the entrepreneurs because they think that if they are, automating everything, they are losing control from the ground. And why they are thinking like this is because for years and years to go, they have just handled business operating disengaged. Now they don't know what to do. So when they think about this thing that, everything is getting automated, they feel threatened from inside because they don't know now what they need to do. But then you need to work on the business strategy. Let's look at the tools. See, this process which we are going to discuss right now does not require any technology. There is no investment in tech. It is zero tech. So you invest no machinery, nothing else. This is zero tech, zero investment. Okay, you can do it with pen and paper. You can do it in your Excel sheet of your laptop, PC. You can do it on your drawing board. You can, if you have anything to note down on, you can create processes for your business. It is less time consuming, and you should have only two things. You should have understanding of your business, and you should have intention, hunger to grow your business. So are you ready to get into the process? If you are ready, type in ready into the comment box. So process means how can you automate your business processes? How are the processes in your business? What are the processes which are part of your business? And to identify the processes, you will have to first observe your business. Once you identify the processes, then you will have to observe the processes which uh, from which parts, which are the parts that make up that entire process, which are the portions, which are the demarcations, which are the activities, they make up entire process. For example, see, if we are talking about any process, if I am talking about process of making this video, then how I can break down this processes. There are many things involved. Camera is involved, lighting is involved, this background, our company background is involved, my dressing is involved. So these are the video. I will have to look at the lighting, camera situation, my mic, the attire I'm wearing, because prior to shooting this video, I was not wearing this blazer, I was just wearing my shirt. So this is a standard procedure that I'll be wherever I'm talking with my clients, I always wear blazer. So this is the process. This is how you break down the process. You can break down any process. Post that, once you break down the process, then you need to document this process. All these steps you need to document one by one. You need to write down those steps. And then on the basis of those steps, you need documented everything. Then you can train even your new employees. So this is how simple this entire thing is. First is you need to understand that automation of business processes is a must. And if you do not know what are the processes involved in your business, as I have explained in the process, first observe the process, identify the processes which are routine in nature, then observe those processes. When you observe those processes, then you uh, divide that process into small chunks, then you document it. And once you document it, you've got a standard document, you've got a standard process manual. You can give that manual to your existing employees that this is how you need to do. When new employee comes, you can even train them. And if you think it is not viable, let me tell you something. McDonald's was a small burger shop in Arizona. They did it after some few trials and errors. They documented everything, and then Rick Kroc was able to create it into global giant. It is feeding almost 10% of the world population today, and it is the power of processes. You will have to first observe your business. Doing business is a science. Okay, and if you want to understand this science in a better way as to how you can create these processes, how you can create systems in your business, how you can scale your business, these are all the learnable skills. And I have been teaching and coaching entrepreneurs where I'm helping them build their unicorn businesses. And I have been I have got a community also. It is called Unicorn Entrepreneurs Hub. More than 200 entrepreneurs are part of that Unicorn Entrepreneur Hub out of 4,800 businesses whom I have helped in the past. And I've been able to create 7 successful startups from which I have exited with 142x return. So if you want to know how you can also build your unicorn empire, what I would want you to do is I would like to invite you for a free masterclass that I am going to do. And in the description of this video, you will find the link to register with a few set. Let me give you a few free set. Okay. The link which you will be having link to register for you for that masterclass for a free set. And that is my gift to you for watching this entire video. And you can be part of that masterclass and understand how you can also build a unicorn business, and you can get out of the grind of your business. You can increase your profitability, you can increase your valuation. See, business is just like a game, and if you play it with your full heart, you are always going to win. And I will teach you how to play the game of business with your full heart, full enthusiasm, and win every time.